Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about local and global variables in Python. So local variables are the variables which are declared inside a function. So local variable scope is limited only to that function where it is created, and that local variable value is available only in that function, not outside to any other functions. So in the example, we have created a def add of y where x is equal to 10 print x plus y. Here x is equal to 10 is a local variable and we are printing within the function and we are accessing x value within the function by performing an operation x plus y. When you run the function add, you get an output. But if you try to access the local variable outside the function, you will encounter an error. So let us see how this works in the code data. If add by x is equal to 10 x in x plus y. If I call this function add of 30, I will get a value as 40. So the value 10 is from the local variable by printing in local variable x. So when the function add, by calling it with the value 30, I'm getting the value as 40. Now, if I try to access a local variable print x here, when I run this, as I said, it will throw an error because this x is only available or applicable to this particular function. So we can't able to access it outside the function. Hence, it's known as local variable. Now let us move to global variables. When a variable is declared above a function, it becomes global variable. So these variables are available to all the functions which are written after it. The scope of global variable is the entire program body written below it. For example, if we define a is equal to 50 and we created a function def show and we have created a local variable x is equal to 10, we can access both a global variable inside the function and we could able to access local variable within the function. When we call this function, we will get an output of print a and print x. So print of x is equal to x and print a of e. So now with the help of global variable, we could able to access its elements outside the function, but we cannot access the local variable outside the function. So let us execute this in editor. A is equal to 50 f show x is equal to 10. Now I'm accessing global variable. Now I'm accessing a local variable. When I run this program, I will get the value a is equal to 50 and x is equal to 10. So as I said, the global variable can be accessed inside the function and it will be applicable for entire program. So if I try to access global variable outside the function, it works where the value a is equal to 50. Now if I try to access local variable outside the function, it will throw an error because local variable only be applicable for that particular function. So that's all with the local and global variables. Thank you.